We had a lot of moss growing on the roof, and I was afraid because the roof was over 20 years old that it needed a new roof. And I wasn't surprised that I did need a new roof. They showed me pictures of my roof, and it was failing in a lot of different ways. Not only was the moss underneath the shingles, but beyond that, my chimney was also having problems with failing seals and everything. So the good thing was they showed me via video without having to climb up there for me. I could find out exactly what was wrong with my roof and verify that I needed a new roof. The salesman was very clear on what would be covered and how much it would cost. So they came out maybe 2 days after he bid it, that a crew was out there and they were working on it. I was very impressed with, they came out, and around my house I have a lot of flowers and potted plants and things, and they came around and they put tarps over all my plants, those that it would be easier to move, they moved them, and we're talking about maybe 20, 30 plants, big heavy pots that they moved around. They didn't complain at all. The guys were really nice, and they just got to work and did their job and do a little cleanup, and then there was an inspection, and that was it. And we even had the chimney redone. They didn't take the chimney off, but the cement on the top of it needed to be taken off, and it needed to be redone, and everything needed to be sealed. So yes, I would recommend them again. Our whole neighborhood has houses about the same age as mine, and I'm sure that there will be other people that will want roofs, and I will mention it.